this video, we'll discuss how to create a landing page and how to utilize them in the messages you send to your customers. With the addition of landing pages, you can lead customers to specific information on your website, update or collect new customer contact data, and more. We'll begin on the Landing Pages tab. On this screen, you'll see any landing pages you or your team have created previously. Important information like name, expiration dates, and status are shown. And at the end of each line, you'll see 3 dots under the Actions column. Clicking this will show you actions you can take for that specific landing page. If you have a landing page that's saved as a draft, you can easily publish it from the Actions tab, as well as make any edits to it before publishing. Let's look at a landing page that's previously been set up. The details of our landing page show above, as well as any options to edit the landing page, duplicate it, archive it, and copy the link for the landing page. A preview of the landing page shows below for your review before publishing. Now let's create our own landing page. You can hit the back arrow or click on the Landing Pages tab to return to our previous page. From here, select the Add Landing Page button in the top right corner. We'll fill in the name of our landing page and fill in the expiration date if we have one. Otherwise, click the box below that field to signify there is no expiration date. In the editor below, we can begin to build our landing page. You'll find that the landing page editor is very similar to our message editor. We'll set up your landing page by first changing the background. We'll navigate to the Settings tab, then locate the background image switch and turn it on. Click the Choose Image button or submit the URL for your image. We're going to choose image here. If you do not see an image you'd like to use, you can always upload an image or search for free photos. Otherwise, click on your image to add it. Next, we'll add our header image to the page by going to the Content tab and dragging the image block to your editor page. We'll browse for an image here, and I'll use this free car wash image. Add a new row. I want to add a text block and a form underneath our header image, so we'll do that on the Content tab and drag each of those to the center of the row. I can see the text fields here may be a little hard to see, so I'm going to add a background color to our row where the content will show. I'll click inside of the row so the settings appear on the right and find the Content Area Background Color option. You can click the checkered box to pull up a color picker for the background, or you can enter a hex code, but I've already used this color before, so it's showing in my previously used colors. Next, we'll change the color of our text to white to give it a pop. I'll add my message here, and we can modify cosmetic things like font, sizing, alignment, and whether to make it bold. Next, we'll make any necessary changes to our form by clicking on the form to pull up the editing panel on the right. I can modify the width of our form, change the layout of our input boxes, and change font properties like the look, boldness, and size. For the form fields, you can modify the field identifiers, but they should still indicate what information is being collected, as the field purposes shouldn't change. You can further change the way the field labels display, like for example, going in to remove the label headers so that they only show as placeholders in the field box, which will disappear once the customer starts typing. I can change the button size, modify the color, and bolden the button text as well. Next, I'll add 2 more content boxes so we can add our logo and address. We'll browse for our image, resize it, then I'll add my address. Lastly, I'm going to add a new row for our copyright information, and I want this to differentiate from the rest of our landing page, so I'm going to change the background. Next, I'll add a paragraph content block. We'll make that pop a little more by making it white and modifying it a bit. You can view your landing page in a PC view as well as a mobile view while you're editing. This will allow you to make any necessary changes and give you a good idea of what customers will see if they're visiting your landing page from a mobile phone. Under Actions, you can also preview the pages in different ratios. From here, we'll select Save, and then select whether to publish the landing page now or save it as a draft. You can always publish the landing page later from the Landing Pages tab under the Page's Actions. And that's it! We're finished with our landing page.